Hello everyone, today we want to create location icon using Photoshop. Let's get into it. First, select your ellipse tool, hold shift, click and drag to create a perfect circle. Duplicate the circle. Press Ctrl or Command T and then Shift plus Alternate or Shift plus Option key if you're using Mac. Click and drag to reduce the duplicate circle proportionately. Select both circles. On your menu bar, go to Layer and then go to Combine Shapes. Select Subtract Front Shape. Then click on your direct selection tool. Click on the object. Right click on your pen tool. Select Convert Point tool. Click the bottom node. Go back to direct selection tool. Bring your mouse to the bottom node. Click, hold down Shift and drag to create the location pin. Here we go. Then you can leave it this way. You can also add effect to it. Let's add effect to it. Select the location icon you just created. Go to your layer style, FX. Select color overlay. For this class, we are going to use red. Click on red. And then go to bevel and emboss. Select it. Follow my settings. Then you OK it. Right click and convert to smart object. And here we are. We have created our location icon. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe and follow for more.